birthday to you.
Run.
Hey guys, hope you all are having a blessed and positive 2021 that is out there. And today, of course. So we have some good news, guys. I really want to, of course, you know, I'm going to show you guys love by letting you guys know how much I appreciate you guys for just coming through the channel. For the new people, you can do a couple things out there. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and also that notification button, guys. We got content coming, man. If you guys see, you'll see. But besides that, we have some stuff going on today, guys. Tons of birthdays coming up. Not just birthdays, car enthusiast birthdays. So that comes with car meets. So we about to go out here to the brother Vaper, Rican, that is. It's his birthday today. I've been trying to link up with this brother from like almost 2 years, you know, since the pandemic and all that as well. So that kind of puts things back. But besides that, it's full throttle now. We've been going to these meets and stuff, as you guys been seeing. And we just gonna continue to grow, and you guys just gonna see everything, man. The whole West Coast car scene. So today we're gonna go over there to Bday. It's his Vaper Rican birthday. His link is down there. You guys can follow him. He does have a dope 350 build. I watched it grow, and that thing came a long way. Definitely different. I also want to give a shout out to the bro Supra Ant. Bro, birthday is also today. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make it because I already, you know, I'm a man of my word. I told the bro I'll be out there to his, so you know how it goes. So shout outs to bro. His IG is right here, guys. You guys go check out his dope ass Supra, bro. And he also has his own Supra meet too. Like, he has a Supra car club. That's just crazy, guys. So if you guys want to go check out some dope Supras, you make sure you go check out his IG. And we are out, guys. You about to go dip out. You know, I don't record and drive. Got to drive safe out here, man. And we are out. Woo! So we finally made it here, guys. Safe. That's all that matters. So we made it to the brother Vaper Rican birthday meet, man. My freaking flash patch came off the seat. I hear it. So it just started. And we're gonna I'm gonna take you guys to the birthday boy real quick. Get some footage of his car for everybody get here before it gets dark. And yeah, you guys just stay in tune. I really appreciate you guys. And once again, for the new ones out there, and for anybody who has not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe, and also that notification button as well, guys. We are growing by the day thanks to you guys. I am planning on doing a raffle too, so you guys stay in tune, man. You guys make sure you watch all of my videos so you can know when the raffle will be. And yeah, so we about to go ahead and wrap everything up, and I'm gonna take you guys around. What's up, man? Vaper Rican. You guys see his IG right there down below. Make sure you follow him on all platforms. Man, we gonna go check out his Z soon, man. I'm gonna let you guys see his dope ass Z. I was blessed to be able to see his Z before I was able to see the whole process, man. So I can't wait to see this thing now. I haven't seen it in almost like a year. So we gonna head over there soon, guys. How you feeling today, man?
Shit, blessed, man.
Blessed. There you go, man. What's up, guys? How's it going, bro? Nice gauge, bro. Fuck with it.
Shout out to the fam at Flash, man. All your boy.
There you go. Yeah. Ooh, you guys see that, man? That shit's clean. That shit's clean.
I didn't have money back then, but now I was lit. Pull up to the crib, they tryna say that they young nigga rich. Matter of fact, gotta show up the bits. I didn't have money back then, but now I was lit. Pull up to the crib, they tryna say that they young nigga rich.
just hit the streets, fuck up a check, bitch. And I ain't never worried about no ex, bitch. Cause they just made it harder for my next bitch. You know I got them bad, look at my necklace. Ho, I'm just flexing. She fuck up a bag. When she let me fuck her, she gon' fuck me back. And she keep that money in her Birkin bag. Finesse you out that check that she ain't coming back. No, she ain't coming back. But she ride for me. If we have a problem, she gon' slide for me. And she keep that toolie, she gon' rob for me. Look at her now, on the side of me. That's a masterpiece. Yeah, we put on a paddock, cup, we have it. And she let me fuck her gladly. She callin' me daddy. Back when I was 21, I was a savage. Used to scream free quantity, but now it's backwards. They don't want no smoke with me, I mean honestly. I tried to show some modesty, but they keep trying me. Cause the bitch is on the side of me, she keep eyeing me. Look, I might just have to try to freak, she tryna vibe with me. Look, I'm sending bottles to every section. Bitches get confused, they can't from which direction. So you know what that mean, you better catch a blessing. Cause I'm just tryna fuck you till I learn my lesson. I just hit the streets, fuck up a check, bitch. And I ain't never worried about no ex, bitch. Cause they just made it harder for my next bitch. You know I got them bad, look at my necklace. Ho, I'm just flexing. She fuck up a bag. When she let me fuck her, she gon' fuck me back. And she keep that money in her Birkin bag. Finesse you out that check that she ain't coming back. No, she ain't coming back.
How old is he now? Alright. Don't love me no more. Don't love me no more. You didn't get him promised and Rican? 6 Ricans. What do you like? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Enrico. Happy birthday to you. Kick his ass! Are you 18 yet? Hey, how old are you? That's how many people can kick your ass. I like that. I like that. I don't like 94 people. Do you like them or like? I'm gonna get together right here. I'm gonna get together.
Bitch, I'm ballin', I'ma keep ballin'. We don't got time for peace offerings. Bullets fly, they gon' meet targets. And we finish what we started. Goons coming and they retarded. Party dead, then we recharge it. If you lead a party, then we recharge them. If you don't like it, then we off them. I don't got time for lame losers. Pull up with the same shooter. Slide on him like a damn scooter. Catch more smoke than a hooper. If he survives, scream hallelujah. She give me more brain than a tutor. Bullets spread like a fucking rumor. I'm the man in my pocket super.
Ain't no reason for that talking. That pussy got mouths like Austin. I'm fresh out the water, no dolphin. I bought for that game like I'm Boston. Don't be confused, don't be a fool. Please you gon' make the wrong move. Cause I got that lead. I talk about pistol, not talking the first day of school. I mix it up, switch it up. She wanna give it up. She wanna fuck cause I'm bigger, bro. If he talking that shit, like he won't give it up. My niggas pull up and start hitting, bro. All my niggas, they monsters. Looking like rosters. Get the snapping like a lobster. So speak to me proper. Do you like shots? Take your brain in the pasta.
I'm sipping the purple, I'm blowing the purple, I'm going for throttle. I'm up in the club, I'm too turned out with all of these models. Pulling up, keep going with the bottles. Party like it's no tomorrow, party like it's no tomorrow. I'm going hard like a tank. Oh, you smell it's the dank. At the fist in my drink, it's going down what you think. I'm top 10 in the rank. Bluehunnit in the paint. Bluehunnit's at the bank. She wanna date, but I can't.
She wanna fuck cause my wrist froze. Chains on me cause a light show. Big blunts to that hydro. Got me moonwalking like I might go. Cashing out, got Bluehunnit with me so you know it's lit everywhere I go. She saw me up, call that lipo. Beat the pussy like a Congo. It's sensei, YNWA like I'm Moshe. I used to be broke in the worst way. Now I need every dime for a copay. And to any nigga talking like he bought it, I got goons in the cut that'll start a riot. I'm good enough.
Hey guys, so we are now at the second birthday meet. So we was able to make it. I thought we wasn't gonna be able to make it, but we was able to make it. We got here safe, and we about to definitely. I'm gonna show you guys the Bday boy. It's another Bday boy, like I said, super ant. I know.